Hi, this is 2017 Honda CRV model. We want to replace the headlights because they had one of the headlights had gone, and I found Orson with a 4 years guarantee with extended lifetime. And then we should locate the bulb. Look at that here. This is the bulb should be replaced. Come here. This is the bulb should be replaced, and you could look at that. Behind that there is a notch. You have to take this. There is a notch here. This is the notch. You press a little bit down to the notch and remove that line first. Then it's coming out like this. When it's out, you turn the bulb to one side and the bulb is out. You can see the bulb is out. Now you can see this is the new bulb and this is the old one, and you can see the old bulb, there's gone connection between the new bulb is intact. Yes, you can look at that. Now I'm trying to not to touch this part, because if you touch this part, maybe some proteins from your hand will contact the bulb. Now look, let's try to put it.
Look, a baby.
And then turn it to down, and then we put the notch back to that side. You can hear the click. Then it's done. Then we should do it to the other side also as well. The next side we do the same thing. Press the notch down. It's good to replace both sides at the same time, and then we turn this. Let it come a little bit here, so look at that, and we should turn it down there. Yes, this one is intact, but it needs to be replaced when you're replacing the old with a new one. So I'm putting back that to the side. It goes in and turns. It sits there, and you put the notch back, the connection back, it clicks, and it's done. So we have changed the bulbs.